It makes me feel terrible to see a country as big as Nigeria, as resourceful as Nigeria, and we are importing all our petroleum products.
Setting up a 650,000 barrels per day refinery is usually a project that is set up by sovereign countries, not by individuals, no matter how big you are.
It is very, very challenging project. It is huge. This is the biggest site today in Africa, and definitely one of the biggest in the world today.
The most transformational things that will be not only for Nigeria but for Africa in the next 10 years.
We have 29,000 Nigerians that are getting massive training. My prayer is that I will give most of my wealth while I'm alive. But I'm very, very passionate about Nigeria and making Nigeria great.